Hey guys, Monica AI is like having a personal assistant for all your tasks. Just sign up, set up your preferences, and Monica helps you organize everything from managing your schedule to sending reminders and tracking goals. It's super intuitive and saves time so you can focus on what really matters. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Monica AI. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Monica. So I will show you how you can do that. You have just to dive into Monica like that, and then you click over enter and you click over the first one, and you will find here like this page as you can see, which is the home page. And here we have it how it looks. You have just to click over here and the top to sign in, or you can just as click over add to Chrome. It's free, and you have just to click over add to Brave, and you get started with Monica as you can see. All right, so first let's know what is Monica. Monica AI is like your personal digital assistant that helps you stay organized. It keeps track of your tasks, reminds you of important things, and helps you manage your schedule all in one place, making life a bit easier. So let's get started right now and let's click on over sign in. It's the second way. The first way, you have just to click over add to Chrome. It's free, and you have just added to Brave, and you can start with Monica, or you can just click over sign in and you'll find this page. You'll find also one button in above login. You have just to click over it. As you can see, it's for free, and then you'll find this page. You can use one of these three options. The first one, which is sign up with Google, or sign up with email, sign up with Apple as well. Once you choose here one of these ways, you have just to add your personal information. For example, if we choose here this one, you just add your email address, your password, and your nickname, and you click over sign up, and you get started with this one, which is Monica. And here we have the homepage as you can see. All right, so here we have how it looks. The homepage, we have here various options that could help you to get started. For example, we have want to ask for anything. Let's just ask in one important note on one important thing. For example, let's know what is the difference between Monica and between ChatGPT. Let's type it down here. What's the difference between Monica and ChatGPT? As you can see, so let's just here type it down, and here we have it right now. So Monica is a specific implementation of a language model-based open AI architecture designed to assist users with various tasks. While both Monica and ChatGPT share the same underlying technology, Monica may have tailored functionalities, rules, and response styles to enhance user experience in specific contexts. So this is why Monica is used. Right, so let's just say is Monica, it's for relationship management, and ChatGPT if you want to hear your personal relationship, I guess. All right, so let's get started, and here let's know what is this options and each one, and we'll discover what is his role and how you can get started. So first let's just discover the second one, which is boats. You have here in the top right the button of create boat. You click over it and you enter the name. Here we have the prompt. You give example, and then you choose which model that you want. You select the one you want. If you want to hit GPT for O mini, and we have GPT for O, or you choose also here accept for to anyone, or anyone with the link, or only me, and you start creating now. All right. So also we have here the button of documents. You'll find other page, which is this one, and we have here what is Monica Boat and other information to more understand. You can just read it to know what is Monica and how it works with Monica and the various things and several information that you have to know about this platform or this websites. All right, also we have here, if we come back to the boat, you found here also writing agent. You can just select the one you want or the one you think it's better for you. For example, we have also here some niches such as models, productivity, developer, education, product, marketing, design, research, and lifestyle as well. Right? So let's just discover in one of these. For example, I need a website corporation email generator. And we have generate website corporation email in just one click. So and there we will find here the specific the role of each one. So about this one, it's generate website corporation email in just a one click. Let's just click over here and you start ask whatever you want about this niche. All right, so that's it for boats. And right now let's just go to the search, and here you have to choose, for example, one case that you don't know, and you have to ask about it in here by clicking over here, and you ask here, or what here we have how to raise a cat, and then you get started. We have here some cases such as we have new COVID-19 variant discovered, Nobel Prize winners 2023, and other things. Also, we have here read. You can just right now upload the book and you have to enter URLs like YouTube or Medium. Then we have here introduce a memo. And right now, let's move into the right. About this one, you have just to tell about whatever you want. For example, you select firstly here the length if you want a short, medium, long, and the characteristics about the writing that you want. For example, your format, if you want an email, message, comment, paragraph. It's not like ChatGPT. ChatGPT, you have just to type your answer and it gives you a lot of things. Then you set again what's the specific thing that you want, all right? But this one, it's give you here data roles that you have to select. Then you ask about whatever you want. If you want to also here compose or replay, so we have here original text and we have a what to reply. Then we have here grammar as well. You can paste the next below in order to check it for grammar, spell, and punctuation errors as well. And then you click over here to check with AI if is it good or no. All right, we have also other options. So this platform have a various benefits. You can just here use it as soon as possible. It's more better than ChatGPT for me. And right now let's get started and choose, for example, here which language that I want. For example, let's choose in here English and let's select in French. For example, let's just here select in one word and let's know it. So here we have in the right firstly GPT 4o mini, and we have Google Translate and Microsoft Translate. So in the right we have here three options that it gives you three sources. So once I just add, for example, child, it gives he here one word what is his translate and GPT-4o mini and what is his translate Google Translate and Microsoft Translate. If he has the same, so it's a correct or it's a actually it's the word that I want. For example, let's just type it here child or something else. For example, work. This one is clear and let's click on over translate and you will find here we have travail and again we have travail here, so it's the same. So the translate of work in French it's travail. So if someone of you know here French, you will now that's correct. All right, so let's just move into the AI art. About this one, you'll find here artist. As you can see, for example, you have to describe the picture, character, sense, and style you imagine, and then you will find it here. So it's good. For example, you don't know the name of one artist, and you need to know what is it to more search in YouTube or other platforms, or you can also see his pictures. You can just type here describe characters, scenes, and how you imagine. For example, me, I already here search for this player, I don't know his name, then it gives me this name as you can see. Also, we have here describing a famous actor, and I found this one as you can see. Right, so right now we have the last option, which is toolkit, and this is the important thing. So for example, here toolkit, we find here I'm your smart little helper equipped with a suite of nifty tools designed to tackle tasks with ease. We have here firstly PDF tools, we have also image tools and AI tools as well. About PDF tools, we'll find here chat with PDF, easy get intelligent summaries and answers for your documents. For example, here we have firstly chat with PDF, AI resume scanner, we have PDF to Word, PDF to TPG, OCR PDF, AI resume checker, invoice scanner, PDF to PNG, PDF to PPT as well. About image tools, we find here remove background. You can just here read the information that we have for each one to more understand, or you can just click over, for example, this one, and you get started with this one, and you choose first the follow, drag it here, and you get started with Monica. So we have here various things that you have to know about Monica, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.